Well, a very good morning from Phuket, and today I've brought you down to Kata Noi's beach, and we're going to be taking a little look at this beach from a different perspective, that is from the air. So we're going to get a bird's eye view of the beach. Of course, I'm down here doing a little bit of testing with my new drone, so perfect. Yesterday, unfortunately, I couldn't get out on our day off on Tuesday. The weather wasn't great. It was quite a bad storm, heavy rain, strong winds. You can see the sea is still a little bit lively from yesterday's storm, but it is a lot better. We've got some blue sky today and broken clouds, so the weather has improved. And while we're flying down Kata's beach, I just want to give you a little bit of information, what's going on behind the scenes with the channel, a little bit of a channel update, because a few of you may have noticed slight changes on the home page on YouTube. The banner's been slightly changed, the name's slightly changed. Over the last month, as some of you will have seen, I have been doing a little bit of traveling. I've had to renew my visa, and I've been putting that content onto this channel. But of course, I've started to realize that that content isn't being consumed as much as my regular Phuket content, and I realized that my core subscribers have come to expect content on Phuket, and that's why they subscribe to my channel. Now, that is partly my fault, and obviously the COVID situation the last 3 years hasn't really allowed me to do a lot of traveling, which means that I've focused mainly on Phuket and content within and on the island of Phuket. And sometimes when I put content from other places outside of Phuket, it's not consumed in the same way. So I've been thinking the last few weeks, what could I do about the situation? Because I had changed the name from Thailand Tony to Phuket and Beyond, and then it went back to Thailand Tony, No Nonsense Guide to Phuket and Beyond. And you will have noticed maybe in the last few days that has been changed slightly to now No Nonsense Guide to Phuket, and there's a very good reason why I've done that, and that is because this channel, my main channel, will now only focus on content in Phuket, and I think a lot of the subscribers, the core subscribers, will be happy about that. So this channel will be purely focusing on content that's right here in Phuket, everything to do with Phuket but nothing outside. And then I have a second channel, which some of you may know about, which is only very small at the moment and doesn't really have any core subscribers. It's less than 100 subscribers, which I'm hoping to build up. Originally, that was started as a motor vlogging channel, because a lot of you will know I'm very passionate about motorbikes, and I've been lucky enough to be able to buy another big bike again after selling my Kawasaki. It's taken a while, but I've now got a new bike, so I'm going to be wanting to go out on that, doing some exploring, not just here in Phuket, but beyond Phuket and even beyond Thailand. So again, as you will have seen, over the last month I did a visa change and I've been outside of Thailand. So there's a lot of content that I'm going to be filming, and I don't want to cram it onto my main channel if it's not really wanted. And I think at the moment that's the feeling I'm getting. People only want content from Phuket, and that's fine. So all that extra content is now going to go on my second channel, which has been renamed Bald&Bored in Thailand. So I'm going to have a little bit of fun with it. I'm not going to be so serious. I know this channel has a more serious tone to it because, as the name suggests, it's a no-nonsense guide. And sometimes I've been criticised that maybe I'm a little bit too serious, and I guess that can be the case. I'm going to try and be a lot less serious on my second channel, have a little bit of fun with it, all types of different content. So if you like content just on Phuket, then this is the place you need to be. But if you like my content in general and just want to follow my content, then you might want to hop across to my second channel, which you will find at the bottom of my main page on YouTube. Click onto the little logo at the bottom, and that will take you to my second channel. Please feel free to subscribe to that channel, and there will be a mixture of content. There will be stuff on my bike, in the car, on scooters, but not here in Phuket. So if you don't like content on Phuket, my other channel is going to be the perfect place for all that content outside of Phuket. So if you're looking for content on Khao Lak, Phang Nga, Bangkok, Chiang Mai, all these other places, that's where you're going to find it on my second channel. There's also going to be a few motor vloggings, because of course I'm going to be out on my bike. I'm going to be using my drone for both channels, so I'm busy practicing and perfecting the filming. Hopefully I'm getting better at that, because it's been a while since I've flown my last drone. And of course, The new drone, being the mini version, is ideal for traveling. So hopefully going forward you're going to get all the content you want on Phuket, because I've got a lot planned to film, so you're going to get all that here, and my second channel is going to have everything else. So if that interests you, go and take a look. Please do subscribe. If you've enjoyed this flight over Kata Noi, then you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, then please consider subscribing to both of my channels now. That would be fantastic, and I would really appreciate it, and thank you in advance if you do. And I guess that just leaves me to say, as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, lots more coming. You take care. Wherever you are in the world, have a fantastic day. And that's me done.